Log in, EatSure, how to download and sign in to EatSure app. To download or sign in on the EatSure app, it's actually quite simple to do so. First, make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi and go to your Play Store or App Store. Once done, you can search for the EatSure app right here. Once you search for the EatSure app, you can simply go ahead and then download it and then open it up. Now to log in, tap the login icon from the top right hand side. You can simply go ahead and then choose your specific mobile number here. Once you choose the mobile number, tap on send OTP either to WhatsApp or either to SMS. So you can go to WhatsApp section or go to SMS section. WhatsApp will be much faster if you're having issues with your cellular connection. And once you've done that, you'll be able to send the OTP code and then verify and log into your EatSure account. This way you'll be able to log into EatSure. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.